Hey y'all, it's Sheree. What's up? Y'all know I'm on an Ayurvedic hair care kick, but I also wanted to try a whole bunch of new products I've never tried before and show you brands that you probably haven't heard of. So if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. The first brand I will be trying is Bask and Bloom. I'm going in with their gentle herbal cleanser. Even though this product looks like black soap, there's actually no black soap in it, but it does have yummy ingredients like all of the products I will be trying today. All of these products are chock full of Ayurvedic ingredients. This product contains Rhassoul clay and Yarrow root, nettle leaf extract, Yucca root extract, coconut oil, avocado oil, just a bunch of great ingredients. I would say that this product has a mild cleanse, even though it does lather. I do feel like I kind of had to work for the lather. It doesn't give you sudsy, out of this world type of thing, but going on, it feels pretty good on your hair. But soon you begin to feel the cleansing nature of this product. This was one of the most unique shampoos I've ever used. Y'all know I don't bang with shampoo like that, but I really enjoyed this shampoo. It strips the hell out of your hair, but somehow it still manages to keep your hair soft. It's obviously not as soft as using a co-wash, but it doesn't make my hair feel like clay. I've never really experienced that where I use a super cleansing all natural shampoo but my hair doesn't feel like clay. I was really impressed by that. Definitely look forward to trying this product again, and if you try this product, definitely let me know your thoughts. I know people like their shampoo bar. This shampoo has made me excited to try more of my Bask and Bloom products that I purchased for Black Friday, so I'm sure you'll see a video on the entire line soon. And like always, I just twist my hair up and I air dry it for an ungodly amount of time. So I'm taking off my t-shirt towel. It will be linked down below per usual. You can see my face. I'm really impressed by the shampoo. Even though it did cleanse my hair don't feel like a haystack, and I really and truly appreciate that. I do not like dry shampooed hair. My curls are still there. They're still popping. I really enjoyed it. Now I'm going to go in with the deep conditioner. I'll be trying Nature's Ego. This is their black tea and molasses deep conditioner. This product had a really strange consistency. It was really chunky, like baby food, like a chunky baby food. I don't know. That may sound weird, but even though I wasn't too much a fan of the consistency, you can see my face. I was really impressed by how nice and smooth this product made my hair. Nature's Ego is a really underrated small natural hair brand. They have yummy, dope ingredients in their products. This product contains black tea, which is really good for hair shedding, molasses, which strengthens the hair, honey, carrot, ginger, salt, palmetto. Like, I was really blown away by the ingredients in this product. I am so excited to try my other Nature's Ego products after trying this one. The only con for me in this product is that I ended up having to use a lot because it didn't have a lot of spreadability to the product. It just applied like a straight Ayurvedic mask. Even though I love DIYs and I have no issues creating my own Ayurvedic deep conditioner, I know everyone doesn't like it. So if you're looking for super natural hair products, Ayurvedic products, I would consider checking out Nature's Ego for amazing ingredients. I felt my hair just plump up and feel so great. I would recommend this brand. Like I said, I'm really excited to try my other products. And if you don't do this and you don't scrape the bottom of your jar, you're too rich for me. As you can see, I did use the entire jar, but well worth it. I'm heavy-handed, ain't no issue to me. Then I sat under my steamer for 20 minutes. This is what my hair looks like after air drying for another ungodly amount of time. I did have flecks and specks in my hair from the deep conditioner, which is normal with any Ayurvedic treatment. I wasn't tripping off that. Then I went in with one of my favorite store-bought Ayurvedic products, which is the Camille Rose Coco Nibs hair oil. I'm using it to grease my scalp and to give me a light scalp massage. Even though a lot of us obviously know Camille Rose is more of a popular natural hair product, a lot of people don't know about this product in particular. It contains virgin amla oil, virgin sesame seed oil, virgin coconut oil, jojoba oil, MSM, biotin. It's kind of on point. It's kind of on point. I like to make sure that I focus the oil on my edges. I have naturally thin and fine edges, so I just like doing a little bit more on my edges and my nape. Then I went in with the Comet Biologics Moringa Tree Detangling Ghee. This was my first time trying any Comet product. This product had a strange consistency. Even though it looks creamy, it was very greasy, like pink hair lotion. This product is specifically formulated for low porosity hair, but this is a testament that everything don't work for everybody. This product left my hair feeling very greasy but not moisturized. I'm used to my hair feeling nice, smooth, and soft, and that's not really what this product did for me. Unfortunately, I know a lot of people love Comet and they rave about Comet for type 4 kinky hair, but that's just not my story. This product just did not work well. It didn't have any slip, it didn't have no moisture. I just don't know what went wrong, but it does have great ingredients. This product contains amla extract, brahmi extract, nettle leaf extract, burdock root extract, oat straw extract, moringa, MSM, which is great for hair growth. Like, just these ingredients are phenomenal, but for some reason it didn't work for the kid. It didn't work for the kid at all. I did go in with some water to kind of help the definition pop out and hoping it would add a bit of moisture, but it did not. It did not at all. Now I'm going in with the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moss Styling Cream. This product is so creamy. It has such a smoothness to it. It has such a moisturizing feel to it. Really enjoy the texture of this product. This is probably one of the products I was most excited to use. It contains Irish moss extract, slippery elm bark extract, flaxseed extract, pumpkin seed oil, aloe vera juice, kupuasu butter, agave nectar. Just really, girl, love the ingredients in this product. Even though I do like this product for the slip that it gave my hair, some additional moisture, I would not consider this product to be a styling cream, not on my kinky hair. I know people use this product for a one product wash and go. I don't know how. I try to add more water, I tried to add more products, and my curls just would not pop out. I just have to chalk it up to the game and say this product does not work well by itself as a styler. It definitely needs a gel or a mousse or some other styler on top of it. I think this product is great for moisture. I think it's good to seal in moisture from the leave-in, but by itself, it's not gonna give me no popping curls, which is what I found out. But it does make me excited to try the product again, doing it my own way with my favorite mousse. So that's what I'm gonna do next time. And of course, I just twist my hair up and I'm doing 3-strand twists. And you can see, like, my curls are not popping out like they do with like my Coco creme or my other favorite creams. It's just sitting. It's not really doing. And after twisting my hair up, this is what my hair looks like. Got hella shrinkage, but I do have a lot of shine. My hair does look shiny, but trust me, y'all, it's oily and it's greasy, and I had oil dripping everywhere from my hair. This is what my hair looks like before I stretch it. You can see I ain't got no much definition. my hair is actually super duper stiff because the leave-in just didn't come through. And this is the final results. This is what my hair looks like after I stretched it. You can see it has a lot of frizz. There's a huge frizz halo over my head because my hair is reaching to the high heavens for some moisture. It was dry, y'all. It was dry. I'm telling y'all, it was dry. But I mean, overall, I would say I had a great wash day. Besides the Moringa Tree Detangling Ghee, I would try all of these products again. I would go out and support these brands again. I would even support Comet, but the Moringa Tree just ain't it for me. It just ain't it, unfortunately. Let me know if you try any of these products. Let me know if you heard about these brands, what products you like from these brands. Would love to know down below. If you have any recommendations for Ayurvedic products from certain brands, let me know down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all later. Peace. Love y'all.